guys, you know that feeling when you see someone coding and you think, man, I wish I could do that too. Well, today we are actually going to do it together. In the next coming minutes, you will make your computer say your name, do some quick math for you, ask your questions, and even play a little guessing game with you. And no, you don't need to know anything about programming right now. Zero experience needed. Seriously, I am a programmer. I have been teaching this stuff for a while, and I promise we'll go super slow. Stick around till the end, and you will have your first real Python program running on your screen. So let's jump in. What you learn section. So guys, here exactly what we are going to cover in this video step by step. First, we will make the computer show any message we want on the screen, like saying hello or whatever you feel like. Then we will do some simple math editing, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, super quick and easy. And after, I will explain variable, basically little name boxes where you can keep stuff like your name, your age, your favorite games, anything. Next, we will make the computer actually talk to you. It it will ask for your name or age and choose whatever you type back in the program. And finish. We will provide you guessing games where you try to guessing a number and the computer tells you if you are right or wrong. I will go really slow. Show every single line of the code, tell you exactly what to type, and explain why each parts work like we are doing it side by side. You don't need any coding experience yet. By the time we are done, you will have your own little program running, and you will be like, wait, I just made myself. Okay, let's get the setup out of the first so we can start coding. Setup sessions. Alright guys, before we write any code, we need two things on your computer. First one is Python. That's the main tool we are going to use. Open your browser right now. Go to the python.org download sections menu. You will see the big yellow buttons say that install Python. Use install latest variants 2026 3.14.3. You will see that. You click it and they will be installed starting on your window. And the systems, whatever you used, Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever you do, the Python is compared for all of these devices. And when you install this, the important part, add pythons.ext to path. It's very important step you must be followed. Don't be skip of this video. Then it's just clicking install right now. After click. Second thing is good place to write and run the code. I really like VS Code because it's free, lightweight, and beginners friendly. Go to the code.visualstudio.com, click download for your computer, run the installer, accept everything, and finish. Now open VS Code for the first time. Say click file at the top right, new file, save as, name file hello.py. Make sure you type .py at the end. That's what tells the computer this is Python's file. So .py is extension, so must be right when you create a new file. .py at the end. Save it as anywhere like your desktops or documents. That's literally at the setups. If you don't this while watching, you are ready to code. Something went wrong, you are stuck. Pause the video, fix it, and come back. Now hurry up. Now we are set. Let's write our first line of code. Now we are set. Let's write on our first line of code. First code. Okay guys. Now the fun part. Let's actually make the computer do something. Open your hello.py file that's previously I will be creating VS Code. If you not already created, create now. Okay, type this one simple line exactly like this with the quotes and brackets. Now run it in VS Code. Look for the smart clean play triangle button at the top right corner. Click that, or you can press F5 on your keyboard, whatever you use easily. You should see a new panel open at the bottom and it will say hello friend. That's it. Your first line of the code just worked. What does it means? The word print in bullet in command in Python that tell the computer, hi, show this on the screen. Everything inside the round bracket is what you want to show. And the double quotes are super important. They tell Python this is text, just show it as words. Let me know. Let me show you how easy it's so change the line. Print brackets, double quotes. I am learning Python today. Run it again. Click play or F5, whatever you choose. Now, computer say exactly what you write. Try one more. Print, my name is Villa Programmer, and run save as it. You're already controlling what you saying. No magic, no complicated stuff, just one word and some text in quotes. Play around a bit, write your own method like your favorite fools, friends, or a joke. Run each time to see it appear. This is the foundation of almost everything in Python. When you are happy with this, we will move to doing some next numbers and math sections. Alright guys, now let's make the computer do some real work math. In some insane hello.py file, add these new lines below your print stuff or replace the old ones if you want to keep it clean. So let's start. Print 5 plus 3, print 10 minus 2, print 4 multiply 5, print 20 divided by 4. Run the file again, play buttons or F5. At the bottom, you should see 8, 8, 20, 5.0. See, no odds needed when you are working the numbers. In coming video, I will show you why they will not be. I will use the codes. Pythons know these are actually numbers, not text. Here's what each operator means. Means add like 5 candy. Yes, the 5 candies plus 3 more. Means subtract. Means multiply below. Divide mean add give our decimals if read it like 5.0. Now, try changing the number yourself. For example, print 5 multiplied by 9, print 100 minus 35, print 50 divided by 2, print 19 plus 1, run it each time. The computer give you the answer instantly on the time. Why faster than the counting on your fingers? You will super use the letter when you are programming get bigger. You will choose the same math thing all the time. Play with a few of your own calculations. Maybe it's your age plus 1. How many hours in a week? See how easy it is. When you are good with this, maintain these actions, we will go to the next big things, variables. How to make the computer remember the things like your names or a score. Variable sections. Okay guys, now we come to one of the most important things in all programming, not just Python's variables. A variable is basically a way for the computer to remember something for you. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a small sticky note. You write a name on the sticky notes like my age or a player score. Then you stick on a number of a word on it like 14 or a snake. Whenever you need that information later, you just look at the sticky notes and with text names and read parts on it. In Python, a variable is exactly that sticky note. Names you give it like my age, the value you put on it, the number, word or anything else. The big difference from the real life. In Python, the computer creates the sticky notes automatically the first time you use it. You don't have to say, please make a new sticky notes. Just start using it. How do you make? Super example, write the name, then equal to sign, then value. Example, name is equal to snake, age is equal to 25, is learn is at the rate, underscore learning is equal to true, favorite underscore number is equal to 7. Let's break down deeply. The name, left side of the under of the equal to can be almost any words you want, but follow this rule. Start the letter or underscore. Then you can have little numbers underscore after first characters. No space, use underscore instant like player underscore name. Is sensitive age or age. Capital A or small a are the two different variables. Don't use Python's keyword like a print, if or if for who will see those letters. The sign equal to sign. This is not equal like in math. It means put this value into the variables or assign this value to the name. So name is equal to snake means the text snake and store it for the box called name. The value right side can be text, super quotes, hello or hello both work. Number no quotes 2.25 or 3.5 true false, special words trues or false, capital T or F. Later we will see list or robot. For the now this is enough. Now let's use them in code and this below in your math lines. Name print. My name is also in quotes, double quotes, and name is simple. Okay, print double quotes I am, comma age, comma double score year old, double score, double quotes, double quotes, learn Python, double quotes is at the rate learning. Let numbers, favorite numbers, run it. Whenever you write a prompt, you see that. You see the computer remember everything you put in those variables. Change one and see what happening. Age equal to 26. Print now my age is age. Running it update. So you will see that my age is 26. What is the age? Age I will define on this. Okay. That's the power variable. Let you store info once and use it many times. And you can change it anytime. Common beginner mistakes. Forgetting quotes around text. Name is equal to snake. Wrong. Error. Equal to snake double quotes. Correct. Using equal to instead of double equal to. While seeing double equal to later for the checking equality in Python. Single equal to check Leo sign, but double equal to checking equality. Starting names and the number. First place equal to 100. Wrong. First place equal to 100. Double square. Not add starting at first. Must in characters. Keeping wrong case. Print age. If you write age is equal to 25 unless this gives error. Once more deep thing. Variables are like label pointing to the values in a number. When you do age is equal to 26 letter, you are not changing the old 26. You are just making the label age pointing to a new number 26. The old 26 is forgotten unless something else is using it. Quick practice challenge for you right now. Pause the video if you want. Make this variable yourself. About yourself, your name, your age, your city, like Pythons. Then print sentence like this. Print at the print brackets, double quotes. Hello, my name is your name. What's you enter your name? Okay, your at the underscore name. Double quotes from your underscore city. Same like this other. Run it. See, now the computer now thinks about your personally. This is this is where variables are huge. I think 39 variables are in Python's 3.1314 2006. They make programming personal, reusable, and smart. And you are comfortable playing with your own variables. We'll move to the next exciting parts, making the computer ask your questions with input functional. Input from user sessions. Okay guys, now things get even more interesting. Let's make the computer actually talk to you and wait for your answer. This is where your program become interactive like a real conversations. We use a built-in functions called input functions for this. Add these lines at the bottom of your hello.py files. Name is equal to input. What is your name? Print hello. Name nice to meet you. Okay, run the file. What happened? The program show what is your name. Wait. Your name like a snake word and press enter. Then it print hello snake, nice to meet you. See, the computer asks a question. Okay, your answer, save it in the variable names and use it right away. Input functions work deeply. Input. Input function always show whatever text you put instant the brackets in quotes and prompt. And it wait for your user. You to type something and press enter. Whatever you type gets saved as a text, as a string, in the variable on the left side of the equal to. And if you types a number like 25, Python save it as the text 25 double quotes, not the real number without quotes. That's important for the next example. Let's ask for the age and try to do a math with it. Okay, run it. Types a number like a 20. It will say you are a 20-year-old. But then it crashed with error type error. Can only concatenate string, not integers to a string. Why? Because age is a text. Age is a text. 20 double underscore. And you cannot add 1 to text. Python does not know you mean the number. Fix. We need to convert the text to real numbers using integers form. The other names are typecasting. We'll make another video of this topic. Change it. Age is equal to integers. Input how are old you. And all of the programs run. Types 20. Now it's saved. You are 20-year-old. Next year you will be 21. 1 plus add 21. If explanations of the integers. Integers means int means integers whole numbers. You know that are whole numbers. It takes the text you types 20 and turns it into the actual number 20. Means it takes the text you typed 20 underscore and turn it to the actual number 20. Simple. Now Python can do real math. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. If you something types later instead of the number like a 20, it will give the error. That's normal. We can handle it later with a more advanced code. You can make it as code more thing. City is equal to input where as you leave from print wow, Gujarat and Punjab, cool place city, or even a fun one. Favorite games and also now the program is your answer talk back. This is the start of the real program. They don't just run and finish, they wait for you. Remember what you said and react. Quick practice right now and 2-3 more input question about yourself like favorite color, copy or lucky number. Then print a short method using all of them. For example, live with it, type different answer each time and run. This is the super powerful because now you program the personal to how to run it. When you are doing an experiment, the input function, we are finished with something fun. Your first little game using if guessing game sessions. Okay guys, now let's put everything together and make your first real mini games or number guessing games. This is where your program becomes smart. It asks for your input, checks if you are right, and giving feedback. Delete or comment out the old input lines. If you want a clean files, then add this new code at the bottom. Print welcome to guessing my lucky number and hint its number between 1 and 10. Okay, guessing input. In what is input? I will or tell you for testing. Input. What is your gain? If guess is equal to double equal to sign, double equal to show the equality. Print yes, you are got right. My lucky number is 7. Else print no, it was 7. Better next time try running again. Run the program. You show the welcome message asked for your guessing. For you to type a number and press enter. If you type 7, happy message. If you type anything else like 5 or 9, tell you it was a 7. You just built an interactive game from the scratch. Let's explain every line deeply so you understand why it is work. Print double quotes, bracket double quotes, welcome, and print double quotes hint. Just showing instructions and so the players know what to do. Guess equal to input, integers, input, double quotes. What is your guessing? All the questions with input functions. Integers convert whatever you types into the real number so we can come it later. Save it the number in the variable guessing. If guess equal to 7, this is the decision. What's called a conditional. It means if this is true, do the next intent lines. Equal to means exactly equal. We use 2 equal sign for the checking, 1 equal for the assign. If your guessing is exactly 7, run the print instant, then the if blocks. The if is not true, guessing then is not 7, run this part instant. It's like saying otherwise or if not. Important rules about if else in Python. The lines after if or else must be indented, usually 4 space or 1 tag. Python use indentation to know what belongs instant the if or else. No brackets like in some other languages, just indentations. You can have more than 2 choice letter if then with if else if, but for now if else is perfect. Make it your own, change the lucky number. Change 7 to your favorite number like 8 or 3. Same all the programs our need again. Okay. Add a fun message to you close another. Okay, now if it give different feedback there based how close you are. This is your first program that show message, does math, remember things, asks for input, make decisions if as you put something interactive that's a real coding. Challenge before we wrap, run the games 5 minutes with different guessing, then change the hint and lucky number. Do something personal like your birthday, date, last date. See how easy to it be customized. When you are doing thing, we are wrap on the video. Alright guys, that's it for today's videos. You did it. Back at what you accomplished from zero. You install Python and VS Code, made the computer show method with the print function, did easy math, write the code, use variable to store and remember information, made the program ask question and choose your answer with input functions. And wrote a complete data guessing game that check if you're right or wrong. All in one short video. You write a real Python code, run it, fix small things, and now you have a working program on your computer. That's a huge. Most people never even get this far. Quick recap what you do next on your own view. Change the lucky number in the games to something personal, your jersey number, birth date, etc. Add more questions before the game start, like asking the player's name first. Try making the games hint like too high or too low if you want to the level item. Run the whole thing and show it for the friends or family member. Tell him I made today. If you enjoy this video and want more beginner friendly videos like this loop, next, and list functions and the small projects, please hit that like button. If it really helps the channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next video. We will learn how to make the computer repeat things automatically, like counting or asking multiple questions. In the comment below, tell me what are you lucky number in the game. Did you get the right in the first try, or what small change did you make the code? I read every comment and love seeing what you wrote. Thank you for watching. Snake here, Rare Programmer, and I will see you in the next video. Keep coding, stay curious, and coming in the next video. Bye.